Here I have ZYREX ZA987 and let me show you how to enter here the factory mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start here by using the power key. Let's keep holding power, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then you need to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down. Release both keys as soon as ZA987 logo pops up. As you can see, the factory test mode just pops up, so here the whole menu is in Chinese. As you can see here, you can also navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So here, for example, you can accomplish some tests. You can also accomplish here clear eMMC, so you can perform the hard reset operation right here, but in my case, let me choose the last option. This is the reboot. Press power key to accomplish that. Wait a few seconds until the device shows you the home screen. Alright, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.